Hi guests, welcome to our channel, Top 5 Ones. When you come to buy right a product, smart look out for that. Why today in this video I review best iPhone in 2020 for you. You can rate them many different thoughts, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and many more. You can see prices and find out more information by using the link in the description down the look. Don't waste any more time, get started the
Number 1. iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 offers superb cameras, fast performance and excellent battery life for an affordable price. The iPhone 11 delivers superb cameras, fast performance and excellent battery life for an affordable price, making it the iPhone to buy for most people. Almost a year after launch, the iPhone 11 remains one of the best phones for the money. At $699, the new iPhone is $50 less than its predecessor, and yet it provides a big leap forward for photography. That's thanks to a new ultra-wide lens and a new night mode for better low-light performance. As you'll see in our full iPhone 11 review, Apple has also upped the ante with greater video recording quality while also delivering superb battery life. If you're looking for something more compact with an even better camera system, check out our iPhone 11 Pro review. And if you want a bigger display, see our iPhone 11 Pro Max review. But these phones are pricier at $999 and $1,099, respectively. With the iPhone 12 on the way this fall with 5G and an even faster A14 Bionic chip, you may want to wait to see what Apple's new phone has to offer. But if you want a phone right now, the iPhone 11 Pro is the best phone for most people. The dual cameras on the iPhone 11 are a huge upgrade over previous iPhones with a great night mode. An ultra-wide camera gives you more shooting flexibility and the app gives you a preview if you want to pop into that mode. Apple's A13 Bionic processor makes the iPhone 11 the fastest phone you can buy. The 6.1-inch LCD screen is bright and colorful, though the OLED displays on the iPhone 11 Pro models are brighter. You can pick from 6 fun color options, including green, purple and yellow. We saw over 11 hours of battery life on our web surfing test, which is well above average for smartphones. Fast charging costs extra for the iPhone 11, which is a bummer. Like the iPhone XR before it, the iPhone 11 is the iPhone I'd recommend to most people. And not just to existing iPhone owners, anyone looking for top-notch cameras should consider this handset, especially because of Apple's aggressive $699 price. Based on our testing, the iPhone 11 can now hang with or beat the best cameras from Google and Samsung. The only strikes against the new iPhone are its skimpy 64 GB of storage in the base model and that a fast charger costs extra. If you prefer Android, the Samsung Galaxy S20 looks great with its 120Hz displays, 5G and more powerful zoom camera, but that starts at $999. A better Android alternative is the OnePlus 8 Pro, which starts at $699 and offers a bigger 6.8-inch 120Hz screen, triple rear cameras and 5G support. At this stage it may pay to wait for the iPhone 12, as that should offer 5G support along with lots of other upgrades. But the iPhone 11 remains an outstanding value and is undoubtedly one of the best phones you can buy. Thank you. Number 2. iPhone SE 2020. The iPhone SE 2020 is an outstanding phone for under $400, delivering fast performance and very good cameras in a compact design. The new iPhone SE is an outstanding phone under $400, delivering fast performance and very good cameras in a compact design. The only thing missing is night mode. If you're someone who prefers using a smaller phone, the iPhone SE 2020 is one of the best values. For less than $400, you get Apple's blazing A13 Bionic processor, delivering not just the fastest performance around but also camera capabilities you'd expect from a pricier phone. And it's all wrapped in a compact, albeit dated, design. Replacing the iPhone 8, the new iPhone SE also features a lot of premium features you won't find on Android phones in its price range, ranging from its metal and glass design and wireless charging to water resistance. Some old-school features are along for the ride here too, such as Touch ID for unlocking the device. As I wrote this iPhone SE 2020 review, I wished Apple trimmed the bezels on its new phone and added a night mode for the camera. The iPhone SE also offers considerably less battery life than the iPhone 11 lineup and competing Android phones. Some may prefer the bigger screen iPhone XR for $100 more, and the $349 Google Pixel 4a is even cheaper than the iPhone SE while delivering a bigger display and great camera quality. But overall, iPhone SE 2020 is a tremendous value and is easily one of the best phones you can buy for the money. A13 Bionic processor. The A13 chip is the fastest in a phone and offers smooth performance, whether you're juggling multiple apps, playing games or using our apps. Solid cameras. That A13 chip also boosts the photography powers of the iPhone SE, as you get portrait mode for the front and rear shooters, Smart HDR for better highlights and extended dynamic range in 4K video. Premium design. While a lot of premium phones have plastic designs, the iPhone SE is made of glass and metal and is also IP67 water resistant. Bright and colorful display. It's not full HD, but the 4.7-inch Retina display on the iPhone SE is easy to see outdoors and provides a vibrant picture. Easy to use with one hand. Fans of small phones will appreciate how compact the iPhone SE is. And the Touch ID button lets you easily unlock the device. Thank you. Number 3. iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 Pro Max's killer cameras, excellent battery life and super bright display make it the phone to beat. Captivating triple cameras, the longest iPhone battery life ever and an even brighter display make the iPhone 11 Pro Max the ultimate power user's smartphone. The iPhone 11 Pro Max isn't just the best phone around, it's the phone I'd buy with my own money. Yes, the regular $699 iPhone 11 is a fantastic value, but the iPhone 11 Pro Max, $1,099, has a more dynamic OLED display compared with the iPhone 11's LCD. I also like having the third lens on the iPhone 11 Pro Max for telephoto zoom, which the iPhone 11 lacks. And as much as I like the smaller iPhone 11 Pro, which shares all the key features with the Max, I prefer the iPhone 11 Pro Max for its bigger screen and longer battery life. Apple should have included more storage to start, and I'm getting tired of that notch. But as you'll see in this in-depth iPhone 11 Pro Max review, it's the best iPhone for now. Although some may want wait until this fall for an iPhone 12 Pro Max with 5G and even bigger display, the iPhone 11 Pro Max is the best phone money can buy today. The triple cameras on the iPhone 11 Pro Max give Apple the best camera phone, thanks to its great night mode and improved Smart HDR. If you want the longest iPhone battery life, the iPhone 11 Pro Max is the one to get, as it lasted nearly 12 hours on our web surfing test. The cameras also shoot gorgeous-looking 4K video with extended dynamic range and cinematic video stabilization. Apple's slow-motion selfies are fun at 120 FPS, even though the Slow-fi name is dumb. Apple finally included a fast charger in the box, so you can get to 50% in 30 minutes. We wish Apple included more than 64 GB of storage, so you may want to pay for more if you shoot a lot of video. Number 4. iPhone 11 Pro. Our iPhone 11 Pro review shows you just how good this compact powerhouse is. The iPhone 11 Pro delivers amazing photo quality with its 3 cameras and best-in-class performance in a compact design. The iPhone 11 Pro delivers big performance in a compact package. You get triple rear cameras offer amazing performance, complete with an ultra-wide lens, a new night mode and better Smart HDR, plus extended dynamic range in video. Overall, the iPhone 11 Pro is now arguably the best camera phone around. Other highlights include a very bright 5.8-inch display that's easy to use with one hand, a fast A13 Bionic processor that smokes the Android competition and a fast charger in the box. Finally, Apple also wins our iPhone 11 Pro versus Galaxy S10 face-off, though the upcoming Galaxy S20 should give the iPhone 11 Pro a tougher challenge. I wish Apple included more storage than just 64GB standard, especially at $999, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max offers longer battery life to go with as bigger screen, which is why we consider that larger model to be the best iPhone you can buy right now. But overall, the iPhone 11 Pro is a stellar flagship phone. The regular iPhone 11 offers great dual cameras, but the iPhone 11 Pro offers a third camera for optical zoom, giving you more range. Apple's new night mode produces amazing results in very low light and even surpasses the Pixel 4 in some cases. Our Pixel 4 versus iPhone 11 Pro face-off has a full comparison between the two phones. Thanks to its A13 Bionic processor, the iPhone 11 Pro is still the fastest phone you can buy today. At about 10.5 hours of battery life, the iPhone 11 Pro offers good endurance, but the iPhone 11 Pro Max lasts nearly 12 hours on a charge. The fast charger in the box works pretty well, getting you to 55% in 30 minutes. We wish Apple included more storage than just 64GB. You may want to go for a higher capacity. The iPhone 12 is right around the corner, and it'll include 4 variants ranging from 5.4-inch to 6.7-inch sizes, all with 5G support. iPhone XR. The iPhone XR delivers fast performance, great cameras and long battery life for a good price. The iPhone XR delivers fast performance, great cameras and longer battery life than other flagship phones, all in a colorful and affordable package. The iPhone XR remains a great value, especially if you want a bigger screen. Yes, the new iPhone SE is cheaper, and the new iPhone 12 is on the way this fall, but the iPhone XR is still one of the best phones for the money. With the iPhone XR you get a roomy 6.1-inch display, fast enough performance from Apple's A12 Bionic processor and good camera quality in a colorful design. Most important, the price is a very reasonable $599. Based on my iPhone XR review, Apple's big screen phone is still among the best phones you can buy. With a price drop to $599, the iPhone XR is one of the better smartphone values around. The 6.1-inch LCD is big, bright and colorful, though OLED screens offer better blacks and wider viewing angles. The single rear camera offers excellent performance and impressive portraits, but the newer iPhone 11 offers better low-light performance. Apple's A12 Bionic chip delivers fast performance that will satisfy most people. The iPhone XR offers nearly 11.5 hours of battery life, which is among the longest-lasting phones. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.